Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So I'm going to attempt to do a $1 coin roll hunt, and when I say attempt, we're going to attempt to find something worth keeping, which is always the hardest part, and you do have to go through a fair few rolls before you have success. So I've been through quite a few rolls this week with not too much success, to be honest. So I'm always, as I say, a bit scared to do these hunts, but hopefully if you guys are seeing this video, it means I've had a successful hunt. So I've probably got about 10 or 15 rolls, and the phone's ringing, to go through, but we'll see what we can get through. I might need to pause and go through a few rolls. Alright, nothing in the first roll. So how are you guys going with your $1 coin roll hunting? Are you guys finding anything that's worthwhile keeping? There's a bit of a... Well, it could be either a cut, but it could be the beginning of a lamination error there. So if I zoom in, it is fairly frayed along that edge. So I'm going to take it that it is a lamination error where the laminate of the coin is beginning to separate from itself. So yeah, I'll put that down as a keeper, and we'll keep going. I'll just zoom out a bit. Yeah, so how are you guys going? What are you guys finding? I see a number of things obviously being shared on the Facebook group. Here's a keeper as well. So 2019 S coin, 35 years of the $1 coin. So there's quite a few fingerprints on it, as you can see, but we'll keep that one for now. Yeah, so I see a lot of finds on the Facebook group, especially with 50-cent coins. I think 50-cent coins seems to be the most popular rolls to go through, or bags to go through. I think there's some good success rates with those coins. I think $1 coins, there doesn't seem to be, well, I certainly don't find as many error coins and cuds as I would normally find, or as I used to find. So things are certainly getting tougher to find anything of real interest, and because there isn't heaps of low mintage $1 coins to find, it's one of those sort of things where, so I'm going to keep this one. I'm still keeping these guys. This is a 2018 $1 coin, and I'm going to keep those until we get the mintage. So we're getting closer to that time. So usually around November we will find out what the mintage is. But yeah, you guys, what are you finding in your area? What are you finding the most of in your $1 coin hunts? I actually couldn't say what my number one sort of coin find is with the $1 coins. It's a bit all over the place, to be honest. Do one more roll and then I'll do a little bit of cleaning up and come back. I might do a couple of rolls at the same time and see what we can find. Alright guys, we'll pause here and we're back shortly. Alright guys, in the very next roll I found another 2019 A coin. I think it was an S before. And this one is a 2014 Mob of Ruse. So both in fairly similar condition considering their age difference. So yeah, that 2014 being one of the lowest minted $1 coins is also a keeper. Alright, let's keep going. Is a keeper. So it's a Commonwealth Games coin. I found a few of these recently. Not sure, there's a few in the series, but I'd like to know what the mintage is. I actually haven't looked it up, so I'm keen to have a look and see what the mintage is of these coins. Probably, maybe it's not known as yet. That's probably why we don't know. Maybe, yeah, it could be in the last financial report, I'm not sure. But certainly we'll know by the end of this year what the mintage is on that particular coin. Look, a fairly nice, yeah, not too bad a grade, that one. Probably, it's not a keeper for me, but certainly in that condition, if you don't have one, keep it. There's a nice high grade coin as well. Might keep that one aside for now. Even that one's not bad for its age, but even this is not bad for a year 2000 one. Usually a lot more beaten up than that, and yeah, it's not too bad either. But I won't be keeping that one. Hey, so this is the $1 changeover. This is in very good condition. Yeah, certainly the lowest minted $1 coin in circulation, and well worth keeping. Currently starting to really start to moving on price. So the rolls and the bags are certainly going up, and even the coins in that sort of grade, the circulated coins, are well worth hanging on to. So keep each and every one you find. Alright, I think we'll do one more roll, and we will call it a day. I think, yeah, it's been a fairly good hunt so far, and I think you'll definitely be seeing this video. I do probably make about 3 or 4 videos for every one that you do see, because it's just nothing found sometimes, and no point in showing nothing being found. So fairly successful hunt today, especially that changeover coin. It's always good to find one of those. Got a few more left, 2 more. And that one I just dropped. Alright, so that's it for today. Let's bring them in and see what we found. 2018 Mob of Ruse. 2019 Mob of Ruse. That's S marked. That's our lamination error. Commonwealth Games. That's our A coin. Changeover coin. 2014 Mob of Ruse. And a fairly nice grade Centenary of Women's. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this quick noodle, and hope you guys have plenty of success as you go through your coins. Alright guys, thanks for watching.